Hey gorgeous people, welcome back to my channel. But before we go any further, stop right there, stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button, you guys. And of course, smash the bell. Like Noah says, smash that bell to get notified when your girl uploads a new video, because I am back on my uploads, okay? And you want to be notified. But let's get into this video. If you guys want to see how I did this makeup look, then just keep watching. So we are doing a review on the festival did I say that right? Festival collection, you guys. So we have the two glosses, we have the Midnight Festival 20 color shadow impressed glitter palette, and then we are going to be reviewing the 10-piece brush collection. Absolutely, I'm a huge fan of BH Cosmetics brushes. As you guys see, they're all over. I love their brushes, you guys. They have not yet done me wrong, so I think I'm gonna love these brushes. And then yeah, so it tells you like included inside how many brushes. There's 10. The deluxe angled powder brush, foundation buffer brush, tapered powder brush, dense buffer brush, highlight brush, small flat shader brush, tapered blending brush, large shader brush, and an angled detail. All right, Jacob just came in and put this here if you guys saw him. But yeah, so those are all the brushes that come inside of this collection. We are going to try and use all those brushes if we can. We are going to beat this face. I'm gonna speed it up for you guys, and you guys are just gonna see how these shadows work, if they're pigmented, if they have a lot of fallout, etc, etc. So just keep watching.
Found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish and one, yeah, yeah. Isn't that too far away from our hearts? Yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind, fix yourself and realign yourself with the world, baby. Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow.
I got a phone call, so I kind of just finished my makeup off camera. Well, my eyes. I still have to beat this face, okay? But let me show you guys what I ended up using. All right, so you guys saw I used Daisy and then Ferris Wheel, which is the orange. So I did Daisy at the top and then Ferris Wheel to kind of give it like that sunset effect. And then I did cut my crease. And then I put this white base down just to set my crease. And the white one is Star. And then on the outer and inner corner, I used Bass, which is this like peachy color here. And then in the middle, I wanted to use some of these glitters because they are bomb. So I use Sparkler, which is super freaking pretty. This is giving me like 4th of July vibes, some of these names. So I used the Sparkler right in the center there to give me that glitter. And then at first I left it white here, but I decided to go on with Experience, which is this pale like bubblegum pink, and then put that in the middle. And I think it looks really good. And then I just basically put Daisy, the yellow on the bottom, and then I put that peach color in the middle, which is Bass, and then on the outer I did Ferris Wheel, which is that orange. So that's what I did there. But I'm going to finish my makeup. Lashes that I have on are the new Baddie B extra lashes. So if you watched my what is it called, my beauty haul video, I gotta fix my turban. What do you guys think about my turban? But if you watched my beauty haul video, then you will see these lashes in that video. So I did use extra which I'm literally obsessed with. I love the normal extra, but these new extras are extra bomb, okay? I had to get them. I absolutely love them. And then for my eyebrows, I use the Anastasia Beverly Hills pencil. I'm like, what else did I use? What else did I use? Yeah, that's pretty much it for duo glue for the lashes, all that good stuff. I'll have to do like an in-depth video on what I use. And then I heard this Essence Lash Princess gives you like a false lash effect. So I did buy this on Amazon and tried it today, and I like it. I like it a lot. But I am going to do my foundation. So you guys will see in another video, I'm going to do my foundation routine. I'm going to be trying out a new beauty blender. So I will have that video up as well. So stay tuned for that. But I'm going to finish my makeup, and then I will come back on camera, show you guys, tell you guys my overall thoughts on this collection. Okay, so the face is beat and done. I went in with the Spotlight 6-color highlight palette by BH Cosmetics. This is what it looks like, and I just used the two top colors. I mixed them, Dream and Radiance. And then for blush, I got the new BH Cosmetics Vanilla Cherry Truffle Blush. You guys, when I tell you it smells amazing, it smells amazing. And I mixed these two colors together. I kind of wanted to do as much BH Cosmetics as I could. All right, so we are going to try the So Extra Candy High Sheen Plumping Lip Gloss Duo. And it is the Midnight Festival collection. So I think I got the whole collection, I'm pretty sure. Look at how big these are and cute. I love them. So they're like mini, but bruh, they are fat, okay? All right, so this one's in Gem and this one's in Rowdy. So Rowdy's more of like the matte color. I'm going to put that all, did I say matte? More of the nude color. So it's just going to be like a natural lip gloss. No, look at that color though. It's so pretty. I love the nude. Look at that. Ooh, that is pretty. So I'm going to put that all over. Ooh, these smell really good too, you guys. All over the lips, and then I'm going to put the glitter one on top of that one. I'm kind of just going to put it in the center a little bit. Look at that. That's pretty. Then I'm going to put a little on the top. Dab, dab, dab. Ooh. These are like your everyday lip glosses you could wear anytime. I might add lipstick later, but for now I'm going to leave it as the lip gloss. We're going to throw on this new wig. I'm going to come back snatched and all that. I'm going to put on my gorgeous bling, put on some cute stuff, change, and then I will show you guys the complete Mikea, okay? Okay, so we are ready. Crap, I didn't put on bracelets, but I got my earrings, my necklace, everything is done, you guys. Put on this new wig, which I will have a wig review up on this unit tomorrow on Wednesday, you guys. But overall, can I talk overall thoughts of this palette? I absolutely love these glosses. They have become a favorite of mine. The eyeshadow palette is, I'm like, where did I put it? Here we go. The eyeshadow palette is a thumbs up for me as well, you guys. I love it. I love the colors. It's extremely pigmented. There's not a lot of fallout at all, like if any, honestly. That palette is absolutely amazing. I love all the different colors in there. I do wish there was like maybe one transition shade in there. Other than that, like overall, this palette is gorgeous. Okay, it is bomb. And then the brushes, there's a few of them I didn't use. I do wish there were more eyeshadow brushes in this collection. It is a 10-piece collection. I wish there were more eyeshadow brushes because I did have to use some other eyeshadow brushes, but I pretty much used every eyeshadow brush that was in there except for this little guy here. Ooh, this is different. I've never seen a brush like this. But yeah, except for that one, pretty much every eyeshadow brush I did use. And then I didn't use these face brushes. Other than that, I used everything. I would definitely recommend buying this collection. I think it is gorgeous. I'm obsessed. I absolutely love it, you guys. It's a huge thumbs up for me. It's a must buy. I am living for it. The packaging is beautiful. I I love it, you guys. I love it. I don't even know what else to say, but I love it and I recommend buying it. I did do another look using this already. When I first got it, I did a look and it was like a purple and pink look. So I feel like there's so many different looks you can do with this palette. Absolutely love you guys. And tell me if you guys like me with the bangs or without the bangs. Tell me how you guys like it. Let me know. Look at me, squirrel brain. But yes, you guys, overall, I give this collection a huge thumbs up. It's a must buy for me. I love it. It's a new favorite and I feel like it's gonna look really good up on here somewhere once I get all my stuff organized. Okay, need to get my life together. But that is it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to give me a big thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, thumbs up, and of course comment down below. Commenting helps tremendously, you guys, if you did not know. So please comment and chat with your girl, okay? And of course, subscribing is huge. Please subscribe, share the video, spread the love to all your friends and family, and I'm out.